Welcome back to my YouTube channel Urban Motors Us. Hello everyone. 2026 BMW S 1000RR is here, and it's ready to dominate the Superbike segment once again. With cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing performance, and an aggressive design, this beast is engineered for speed lovers and track enthusiasts. If you're a motorcycle fanatic, stay tuned because this article will dive deep into everything you need to know about this high-performance machine. Stunning design, aggressive and aerodynamic. BMW has refined the S 1000RR's aesthetics, making it more aerodynamic and aggressive. The signature asymmetrical headlights are now sleeker, complemented by improved winglets that enhance downforce at high speeds. The bike's lightweight chassis is crafted for better agility, making it a perfect weapon for both the track and the streets. Updated LED lighting for better visibility and a futuristic look. Larger winglets for improved stability at high speeds. Sleek, race-ready fairings for optimized aerodynamics. Unleashing extreme power, engine and performance. The 2026 BMW S 1000RR boasts an even more refined 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, now pushing beyond 210 horsepower with enhanced torque delivery. The ShiftCam technology ensures optimal power across all RPM ranges, providing breathtaking acceleration and smooth power distribution. Performance highlights. Engine, 999 cubic centimeters, inline-4, ShiftCam technology. Horsepower, 210 plus HP. Torque, 115 Nm. Top speed, over 310 km per hour. 0 to 100 km per hour, 2.8 seconds. With an advanced titanium Akrapovic exhaust, the bike now sounds even more aggressive, delivering an exhilarating riding experience. Advanced electronics, ride like a pro. The 2026 S 1000RR is packed with cutting-edge electronics, ensuring both safety and maximum performance. BMW has introduced an AI-powered riding assistant, helping riders adjust settings in real time for ultimate control. Tech features. 6-axis IMU for improved traction and stability. Dynamic traction control, DTC, for seamless grip. Multiple riding modes, rain, road, dynamic, race pro. Updated TFT display with 3D navigation and real-time telemetry. Cornering ABS Pro for safe and aggressive cornering. Chassis and handling, precision like never before. BMW has fine-tuned the aluminum twin-spar frame, making it lighter and stiffer for improved handling. The fully adjustable Öhlins electronic suspension adapts to riding conditions instantly, providing the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Lighter frame, reduces weight while enhancing stability. Electronic suspension, automatically adjusts for different terrains. High-performance braking system, Brembo Stylema calipers for ultimate stopping power. Final verdict, the king of superbikes. The 2026 BMW S 1000RR is not just a motorcycle, it's a technological masterpiece that redefines speed and power. With its aggressive design, track-focused aerodynamics, AI-assisted electronics, and unmatched performance, it's set to be the ultimate superbike for thrill seekers. If you're a true motorcycle enthusiast, this machine is a dream come true. Whether you're hitting the racetrack or the open road, the S 1000RR is built to push limits and deliver an unforgettable riding experience. Would you ride the 2026 BMW S 1000RR? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more thrilling motorcycle content. Stay tuned for test rides, in-depth reviews, and comparisons with other superbikes.